Looking for a healthy snack that actually tastes amazing? Meet ONETANG freeze-dried yellow peach chips, a crunchy, fruity, mess-free snack made from 100% real fruit with no sugar added. Each box comes with 9 convenient single-serve packs, perfect for school lunches, diaper bags, backpacks, or glove compartments. Whether you're hiking, working, or just need a guilt-free sweet fix, these peach chips are ready when you are. They're non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, paleo, and kosher certified with 0 artificial colors or preservatives. Just real yellow peaches, sliced and freeze-dried for that fresh-picked flavor and satisfying crunch. Plus, ONETANG stands by their promise. Love it or they'll buy it back. No questions asked. What do you have to lose? Snack smarter with ONETANG, the delicious, portable fruit treat your whole family will love. A perfect, healthy, summertime treat that anyone can enjoy. Try some today.